Hello, my
His name
Steiner.
is Danen Fasagi. My name is Johan Swarts.
Yes,
We stay Rebecca Street, Pretoria West.
yes. And my house did burn when even and every house looked out of my house when I was
His
not
house
a-
burned down. I think it was last June. Yeah,
and a
last
fire.
June. Oh. And then there's a field. There's a field behind their house, ne? There's a field behind their house. Someone took a lighter and you see. Ne? Ja, net so. Ach. Ja, net so. Okay, los no. Okay, let me tell you. Where was I? Relax. Their house, ne? Burned down because at the back of their house there's a field that someone took a lighter and put it on fire, and now him and my two cousins were he's also my cousin, so I have this is also my cousin, so my three cousins were there at their house. They saw the man. He saw the at the back it was burning. Then my last cousin I said to my second cousin, the house is burning, we have to call the fire department.
The firefighters.
The firefighters came. En dis dit van vandag. Dankie vir die nuus, saam met Tyrese.